Hello, this is Mike Reed, and today's date of the recording on this video is August 10th, 2023. And I'm bringing you this video to talk about KONOP refrigeration. KONOP refrigeration is a dispatch company covering the entirety of the United States of America. And they have a number of clients. They do hot side dispatch and refrigeration. But currently, they are starving for technicians to run refrigeration calls. All right. So I'm going to provide you with the number to CONOP and an email address. All right. So you're going to email Rachel at CONOP Refrigeration. Now, this channel is a channel that helps people find work in the commercial space and get training in the commercial space. So I'm not just gonna tell you, hey, go out there and here you can get training on this walk-in, that walk-in, things like that, ice machines, fryers, and not give you a way to capitalize on that. So here's Rachel's email address. I've provided ConApp earlier on when I first started doing this channel, but I'm going to provide it again because I just received a call from her, desperate to get someone to run calls. I've had people ask me, say, hey man, how many calls a day can you run doing commercial? And it's not about running the number of calls because you're billing for your time and the material. So you could be on one job for 10 hours and you're billing for 10 hours. It's not it's not the same as residential. It's not the same as residential. So why drive around 10 different places tearing up your starter, tearing up your starter, your brakes, doing oil changes, buying new tires when you could just go to one or two jobs a day and make four times more than you ever did doing residential. And there's nothing wrong with residential. If you like residential, then do that. There's certainly benefits with that versus doing some of this stuff. All right. But here's Rachel's email address. Send her your in the subject line, just put down refrigeration tech. Send them your company's information, send them your phone number, send them your address, what type of service radius, and then as far as labor rate, you're going to negotiate that with them. That's all based on your area, territory, distance you're willing to travel, all of that good stuff. And then the rates for emergency service, because right about now they're looking for people to run out and do emergency service. So it is completely up to you what the rates are. Do not be afraid to call them up and negotiate. Not a big deal. And Rachel is the one right now that's really looking to get this thing situated and add these technicians. All right. So thank you guys for staying subscribed to the channel. Do my best to bring you guys information that you can use. Please attend the training. Give yourself the best opportunity to make money. Training equals money. The more training you have, the more proficient you're going to be, the less mistakes is going to be made. It's just a shortcut. So once again, thanks for subscribing. I really do appreciate everybody that subscribed in the last 10 months. I mean, the last month I had over 10,000 views. So I really do appreciate all the support. Thank you so much.